Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of Artist Glam Rush channel. And in this video, I will be making some DIYs that I always use, and they really works great for my skin type. I have extremely oily T-zone with oily skin type and also acne. So now you can see one over here. So if you have acne prone skin type with oily skin issues, and also if you have combination skin type and normal skin type, then this video is for you. This will be a Diwali skin prep kind of with natural ingredients that are available at your home. So if you're new here, then welcome to Artist Glam Rush. Do click on that red subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you haven't seen those videos on how I cured my skin issues, I've talked about the causes and how I cured it. And also you can also see the video where I've talked about the 8 natural ingredients that has done wonders to my skin and your skin type. So you can select all the 8 or the one that works for you. So you will get all in the description box, or you can get into our channel and check those out. So without wasting your time, let's get started with this video. So for the cleanser, we're using here oats, and never use masala oat for this purpose because the masalas in the oat will burn your skin. Just take oat, few drops of gulab gel, and also add some water with the desired consistency you want. Using a fork, it makes it better to mix for you. You can make this fresh daily for cleansing purpose. Oatmeal, they has an exfoliating properties. They takes out the dirt from your pores, cleans the pores properly, and also even out your skin tone by removing the dead skin cells. So this is ready. You can see the consistency of this. It gently exfoliates and also works as scrubbing purpose, so you can scrub your skin for few seconds, like for around 10 to 20 seconds, and then wash it off. And your DIY cleanser is ready within few minutes. They are best for summer tan removal and also good for using in winters too, because they never will dry out skin. So now for the face pack, we have taken here a bowl. This is a go-to face pack. You can use this within 15 minutes if you have any party or occasion going. The first ingredient that we will be using here is besan. I have talked about besan and 8 other different ingredients that does wonders to your skin in my previous video. So the quantity depends on how much you will be applying, on the amount that requires for your face and neck. You can apply this to any body parts depending on the area. If you need tan removal, you have any sort of pigmentation issues, this will work great. A little pinch of turmeric powder will work fine. Turmeric has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. It also reduces your pimples, and also it gets into your pores and cleans the pimple causing bacteria. It helps in getting a brighter and fairer skin type. Take 1 spoon of rose water, and rest you can use normal purified water that you use for drinking, and mix them thoroughly so you get a uniform paste without any lumps. That will be easier for you to apply on your skin. And your face pack is ready. Try this out. It deep cleans properly and also give that glowing effect for the festive look. So definitely give this a try. Now for making the moisturizer, I have taken the Bodo Plus aloe vera gel. You can use the Patanjali aloe vera gel or the Sundari aloe vera gel too. As we all know, aloe vera hydrates our skin, removes the dead skin cells from. Make sure that you don't take too much of coffee, that will make your skin more tightened up, so you will end up having a very tight finish to your skin, which will rather not moisturize it. Quantity I have taken is 1/3 of the aloe vera. Work slowly so you get a lump-free texture. Coffee brightens your skin, gives that glowing effect to your skin, which is really good one for using in festive time. For Diwali prep, it is the best one. Just see the moisturization it gives. Apply this, gives a glowing effect too. Wash it off after around half an hour, so it will give you a very nice finish and glowing skin and a brighter skin tone too. Mask, you can say this, brightening instant mask. And all the DIYs are ready for the Diwali prep. So all will take you around 10 to 15 minutes max to get all the ingredients and then make them. You can store them in fridge for about 5 days. They have no side effects at all. They all are natural ingredients, and I prefer using natural ingredients as much as possible. I have no makeup on my face. I'm going directly to apply this. So you can make the consistency like this. So you can use any sort of face pack brush. So I'll be using here my fingers. Remove all makeup before you apply any sort of face pack. So let it dry for a good 15 minutes. As you can see, the skin has dried out now. I'll just wash it off. Yeah, that was all for today's video. Hope it was helpful for you. If it did, then please hit on that like button. That encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share it with your friends who actually have breakout skin issues with dealing with oily skin types and need a glowy, easy homemade remedies for this Diwali. Then do share it. For the oat cleanser, you must use the normal oat. That will work fine. You can also keep that oat cleanser in a face for about 4 to 5 minutes. It will dry out. It will work as a pack. Then you can wash it off also if you have time. And for the face pack, you can use it after every 1-2 days or alternative days. It will work fine. Else, if you have a drier skin type, then do not use that. It will make your skin more drier and cracky. For the moisturizer or the gel, the coffee with aloe vera works really fine. It binds together and forms a masky kind of tightening face pack. So you can work it as a face pack. So if you put more aloe vera, then the consistency of coffee, then the consistency will be like a moisturizer. If you put more coffee, it will become a sleeping mask. So this is a 2-in-1. So overall, that was all the products that I have to talk about in this video. Hope to see you soon in the next video. So stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.